Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be creating this look for you guys. Yeah, so this look is actually inspired by Nushrat's makeup in the song Dil Chori Ho Gaya, and this is a very popular song, and the movie's name is Sonu ke Titu ki Sweety. I'm really excited to watch that. It's going to be releasing this Friday on the 23rd. I'm super pumped. I absolutely love Karthik, love Sunny, love Nushrat. They're super adorable, and I saw Nushrat's look and I was mind blown. I was like, this is so simplistic, yet look at how beautiful it looks. It looked super flawless, she looked super pretty, and so I just wanted to recreate this look for you guys, and I wanted to do this before the movie releases because it could be like a nice like Sonu ke Titu ki Sweety special. So yeah, I haven't done my skincare yet, and I'm going to be starting by using a cream that I am absolutely loving at the moment. So it is this deep moisture gel. As you guys can see, I actually got this from Singapore, so I'll leave a link in the bottom bar below wherein you can check my Daiso haul from where I purchased this. So it has a lot of hyaluronic acid in it, which is really good for the skin, as it gives a really good dose of moisture. So I'm just gonna put this all over my face because, as you guys know, Nushrat's look in Sonu ke Titu ki Sweety is very effortless, and her main focus is on the base rather than the eyes or whatever. So I just want my base makeup to look super gorgeous. So I'm gonna make sure that I pamper my skin with skincare before I jump into the makeup products. Next, in order to give a little more protection to my face, I'm going to be using this UV cut sunscreen spray that I got from Sasa. So I'm just going to take that and spray it on my face like so. I really like this sunscreen because it gives a beautiful dose of moisture without feeling really sticky, and since it's in a spray form, it doesn't really like have this white cast effect. So I'm absolutely loving this. This also has SPF of 50 plus, PA 4 pluses. So I'm assuming that this is really awesome to protect the skin. After that, I'm going to be going in with an essential oil, and this is by Indulgio Essentials. This is the Rose Oil Elixir. So I'm just going to use that again to really make my base look super glowy. So I'm just going to take that and do the whole Instagram thing. Skin is all prepped and nice. I'm going to be going with the primer for the day, and I'm going to be using this Etude House Face Blur Primer. The reason that I'm using this is because it will even out the skin tone of my face. Along with that, it will also hide my pores and just make my skin also look really nice and moisturized, because that's the whole thing that we're going for this time. So just excuse the background noise. So I'm just going to be dotting this all over my face and just blending it in like so. As you guys can see, it made my skin look more even, and plus, do you see the moisture? Gosh, do you see that shine? Yeah, so this really shows that we have a really good base to now start on with concealer or foundation. So now that I'm done with the primer, I'm going to be taking my foundation for the day. This is the foundation. I got this from the Makeup Artist palette. I don't remember the name of the palette, but I will definitely leave that in the bottom bar below, so you guys can check it out if you wish to purchase one of these. So I'm just going to take the foundation and just dot it all over my face like so. I'm also going to take it down the neck. Then I'm going to be going ahead with my beauty blender, and I'll just blend it all away. I really like this foundation because it's super travel friendly. It's a cream based product and it just melts into my skin. As you guys can see, it's so beautiful. I need a little bit more coverage near my laugh line, so I'm just going to take the product again and just apply it right here. Then I'm going to be concealing and as well as highlighting my under eye area and on the usual areas wherein I need some more coverage. So I'm going to be using the Fit Me concealer by Maybelline. This is in the shade Light Ledger, and I'm just going to do the usual highlighting. And also I'm gonna go in and cover a few spots here and there. So I'm just gonna take my beauty blender, my damp beauty blender again, and I'm just gonna buff that into the skin. This with my Kryolan translucent powder. It's a really nice loose powder, so I'm just gonna take that and just set everything in. Once that is done, I'm gonna go in and do my brows. Nushrat had done her brows real well. It was properly groomed and shaped. So I'm just gonna try doing that. Although I have like really thick brows, I'm just gonna like fill in the gaps and kind of give it a defined shape. After that, I'm just gonna take the powder and just kind of fill in the gaps that I couldn't fill in with the pencil. Honestly speaking, guys, I don't really like to do my brows that often because then it looks super thick. But since Nushrat's brows were really defined in the Dil Chori Sadda Ho Gaya dance, so I thought I should do that. So that's why I did a full-on brow kind of a thing. I don't really put in a lot of effort here, nor do I use brow products that often. But I just did it for Nushrat's look. After that, I'm going to be taking the concealer again and defining my brows. I'm going to be taking my MAC brush. I think it's in the name number 20 something. I don't know. The imprint has gone. I'm going to be using this concealer brush to buff the product in. Then I'm going to be taking my NYX setting powder from the highlight and contour palette and I'll just set the product in. Once that is done, I'm going to slightly bronze my face, and because Nushrat hadn't done like a proper face cut contouring, so I'm just going to bronze up my face and just focus my contouring down the nose area. So yeah, for that I'm going to be taking my NYX highlight and contouring palette. So let's just begin. I'm going to be taking my BH Cosmetics brush and I'm just going to dip into this shade and my face up. Very lightly. First I'm going to do a straight cut motion, and then after that I'm just going to do circular motions. Straight cut motions and then circular motions. I'm going to be doing the same. Just take a little bit of product, cut down the excess and just slightly bronze the face. I'm going to be taking the same shades again, brushing it up, and just taking it down to my cheek area as well. Then I'm going to be taking the same brush and I'm just going to hold it like this, like that. And I'm going to take the same shades and just very briefly contour my nose. That is done, I'm just gonna go on to the eyes. So in her look, she hasn't done a lot of eye makeup. She's only put on a very slight gold color eyeshadow. She's thrown on a lot of mascara and she's just lined her waterline and smudged it down a little bit. So I'm just gonna do that. So in order to start, I'm actually going to be going ahead with my Carly Bible Deluxe palette, and I'm going to be taking this really pretty like golden color. To do that, I'm not going to be using a brush. I'm just going to use my middle finger and I'm just going to dip into the product like so and just slightly brush that with my fingers on the eyelid. I'm just going to take in mascara and lower my lashes with mascara. To do that, I'm going to be using my Lash Sensational mascara. And I'm just gonna load that baby up. You can also use an eyelash curler before starting, but I just forgot about it. So I'm just gonna skip that step and directly jump onto mascara. Luckily, touch wood, I've been blessed with really nice lashes. So I'll just load like 2 coats of mascara. You can do as many coats as you want. I mean, I'll suggest 3, not more than that, because then your eyelashes get really like hard, and plus it's very difficult to also remove the mascara. Also guys, I was just wondering whether I should also do like makeup tutorials in Hindi, because I just don't know. I was like looking up on YouTube and it's actually really nice to see Hindi makeup tutorials, and I just kind of got into the feel of it. So I was just wondering if you guys would like to watch a makeup tutorial in Hindi. That's one lash. As you guys can see, this mascara is amazing, and luckily by God's grace my eyelashes are pretty like cool. So you guys can see how you guys want to kind of bring the beauty of your eyelashes. And if you don't have long eyelashes, then there's always falsies to help you out. So you could do that. To do my waterline, I'm actually going to be using my plum kajal. So I'm just going to line my waterline. Cosmetics brush like so, and I'm just going to smudge that a little bit. Once that is done, we're actually done with the eyes. It's that simple. After that is done, I'm just going to move on to the best part of all, and that is highlighting. So first I'm going to actually go in with the cream product, and I'm going to be using my Benefit Girl Meets Pearl highlighter like that, and I'm just going to dot that on the apples of my cheeks and on the usual areas where we usually highlight. So I'm just going to take that starting from the apples of the cheek to the cheekbone, then on top like so, and a little on my forehead. I'm gonna take that, use my fingers to just blend everything away. Blend it away. As you guys can see, it's already giving a really nice natural from within glow, and I love that about this product. I'm going to be going in with my soft and gentle highlighter. Look at that. And I'm just going to take this brush to kind of make my highlighter game a little bit more stronger. So I'm just gonna take that, swirl my brush in there like so, tap the excess, and isn't it so pretty? Oh, it's so pretty. I'm dying. Do you see that glow? It's beautiful. I'm gonna do that to both the sides. So now let's begin with the lips. Lips, I'm going to be taking my Miss Claire Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade 10. It's this beautiful blue toned red, and I'm just going to go ahead and fill in my lips. Since her lips weren't matte, it looked like a nice cream sheen finish. I'll be taking my Revlon lip butter in the shade Pink Truffle 001, and I'm just gonna put that in the center of my lip. Set everything in. I'm gonna be taking the same setting spray again, and I'm just gonna spritz that all over my face. Done with the makeup look, so this is how it looks like. I don't really know how to do the hair that well, so I'm just gonna leave a nice middle parting like that, because her hair was actually parted in the middle and there were a lot of curls out here, and since I don't have a curling rod and I don't know how to curl properly, so I'm just gonna skip that step. But this is how the makeup turned out to be. It's very simple, as you guys saw. It's all focused on the base. I'll insert a picture right here, you guys can see. It's all focused on the face, and the lips are classic red. The eyes are kept to a minimal, and the brows and the nose are very well defined. Apart from that, this is how I think the makeup artist actually worked on her. I'm not sure, don't like bash out at me, but this is my interpretation of the makeup look. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. I absolutely love the look. It looks super gorgeous, super simplistic, yet very, very classy. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, then definitely give it a big fat thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Bye bye.